11:20 a.m., people are like, Lizzie, where's your mother? And she says, oh, she went out, she got a note from a sick friend, but I think I might have heard her come in. She might have come in through the basement. And Bridget says, well, I'll go check upstairs, but if somebody comes with me, in case there's an axe murderer in the house, and Mrs. Churchill agrees, and they go up the stairs, and at the top of the front stairs, you could look into the guest bedroom, and there Abby is dead in a pool of blood. All right. Well, people say, where were you, Lizzie, when all these people are being killed in the house? And she says, well, I went out to the barn. I was looking for some fishing tackle for a fishing trip I was about to go on, and I paused there to eat some peaches, and then I heard a loud groan, and I ran in, and my dad's dead. Crowd now starts to gather at the house. The first policemen arrive. The first policeman, he runs back to the station and says, I need help. This is a problem. He has a civilian there. He says, hey, could you guard the door? Don't let anybody in. And then Uncle Morris, John Morris, comes back, and he does behave oddly. He will later say, I didn't see the crowd forming. I didn't see the guy stationed at the door. Instead, I went back to the back barn to have some pears. And then I went into the house about 20 minutes later and found a double homicide.